You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Welcome to Danana channel. We're picking our ears.
I have goosebumps.
Ngứa không?
Was it much?
Yeah.
I have never done this before.
Why?
And I have seen it, in every city. Oh, what a feeling. Oh,
Nice.
Đau không? Có đau không? Đau.
Down.
Có đau?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Down, down.
Không đau không?
calm down.
Không đau.
Calm down. Relax. It's a bit weird when you've never done this before. I'm not relaxed. I'm like a feather.
It's a little bit disgusting to video.
Is it
Video
hot?
session. Yeah.
Oh, do it.
And I can zoom in.
Yeah, you have to zoom in.
I pushed the 3. I
I-
got
yeah.
3, 2, 1 and 0.5.
Because I want to see this. I'm one of those guys who like to see when people do things with their ears. Is it much?
Sạch, tai sạch. Tai sạch á.
I like when she's shouting. That's my favorite thing.
Yeah, she's shouting in my ear and I don't understand.
But I really like when they shout Vietnamese in your ear and you don't know anything.
Maybe I will hear a lot better after this.
I hope so. You can hear, we can walk faster.
But it's a nice feeling. But she's deep in.
Ah, just picking your brain.
Oh,
Không thơm cam chứ. Không sao.
Relax.
relax.
It's taut.
What's happening in my ear now?
Shoving in a wooden stick.
Oh.
And this nice place we found when we were out
Oh,
walking.
yeah, I'm okay, I'm okay.
Ah. Nice. Relax.
It's hard.
No, it's easy. So this is the same place I got my hair cut. The lovely lady working here. Look at this nice street.
Đào nữa. Đào nữa. Gài đào nữa.
Ah. What are you guys talking about?
This is a bit painful.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Kết thúc nó.
Oh, good.
You. It's hot too.
It's really deep in.
think this is the thumbnail. Good.
I have to be still.
Nhưng không có gãy, không gọi được kịp ấy. Mà chỉ gài ngứa thôi. Gài ngứa.
Yeah.
Gài ngứa, gài ngứa, gài ngứa.
Yeah,
Không
go,
có
go,
cái
go.
bẩn, không có bẩn.
Huh?
No,
No.
là không có cái bẩn bẩn.
So, if anyone can translate that, I made me happy.
So, okay.
Ok, xong rồi.
Okay.
Ok, xong. Chị
I'm
bước
done.
rồi.
No. I'm done.
Cầm trả.
I have never had such clean ears.
Ah, good.
It's good? No?
Đàm ngứa. Đàm ngứa.
Oh my god. That was an experience.
Ah,
I have clean ears.
you hear anything?
Yeah. But I have to see. It has to be fun to watch it, see how much he's picking out.
Yeah.
So be sure. Subscribe, Thomas. Do you like these kind of videos? Do you like them? You watch them on YouTube?
Oh,
Yeah? And how much?
I don't know.
How much?
Tăng.
Oh, bye-bye, guys.
I hear everything, guys. So clean ears. She said she would do it for nothing, but can't do that. I gave her 30,000. So, yeah, it was a nice feeling, but sometimes it almost hurts. But now I feel relieved in my ears, actually. So nice. She was very, very nice. So highly recommend ear cleaning, deep cleaning in the ears. So, thumbs up, subscribe, turn on notifications.
Yeah, and it was super hard to film it. So I hope you can manage to watch it. I tried to zoom in, but
We never use a good iPhone.
No.
We always have a GoPro.
Yeah. So
But
this-
I wanna see this.
so this video is all from the iPhone. I hope you like it. Hope you can hear us. So please make a comment. Is it okay to film with the iPhone sometimes? See you in the next one.